I think it's important that we understand the power of courts and the beauty of the judiciary system. I think that if Sowore has been granted bail, he should be let go. And I think it's a slight on our judicial system if the executive cannot obey judicial laws. If a man is given bail, why don't you let him go? If you have other charges you can use against him, why not go about it that way? There's a sane way to do something. You can't say one thing and act differently. So it's important that if you say you are the protector and the guardian of the laws of the country, you first must be subservient to that law. So I assume that if the man has been granted bail, I think he should be let go.
We must understand that the government itself does not respect the law, and we could see it in the way they treated the judges of different courts in Nigeria when they were alleged of corruption. They were invaded their homes, even as against the rules and the laws of our land. And in the case of Sowore, it's the same thing. The government doesn't believe that the law overrides the personal decision of anyone in office. What they believe is that they can veto everything, and that's quite unfortunate. Omoyele Sowore has done nothing wrong, and there is no reason why he should have been incarcerated in the first instance. And what they've done is actually under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The court also granted him bail, which in way it's expected that the government should release him without conditions, since the court has given its own conditions that he should submit his international passport to the registrar of the court. But unfortunately, they've refused to release him. So it shows that those at the ends of affair are only interested in vendetta. They are only interested in getting back at people who challenge their authority, or most especially the illegitimacy of their legitimacy. I would use this medium to appeal to them to do the right thing. If we actually want to fix Nigeria, it must begin with us. It must begin with our actions as individuals and as a government.
As a Nigerian citizen, I believe in rule of law. All right, and I expect his lawyer, which I think his lawyer is doing what requires of the law to do. So in case of Omoyele Sowore, very soon I think everything will be over. At least the law, I learned one judge, Justice Taiwo, gave him release, and I think the federal government will comply with that.